I do not go back to the dentist. This woman cured her tooth decay and bleached her teeth in just 2 days just using this recipe. If you want to try a very effective way to cure your cavities without going to the dentist, this recipe is perfect for you, as well as cure cavities, will whiten your teeth. Follow step by step what we indicated below to have the desired effect. It is not complicated, however you must be constant and not skip any step. Take note. Follow the instructions below. 1. Eat vitamin D3 and K2. This vitamin has foods like chicken, cream and milk with all their fat. 2. Floss before going to bed. 3. Try not to eat foods that contain sugar. The home remedy that we explain next is a toothpaste with charcoal and licorice. This recipe gives very good results because all 3 ingredients can easily remove plaque while teeth whitening. It is advisable to use it once a week for best results. Ingredients: 1. Half a teaspoon of shredded charcoal. 2. 1 teaspoon of licorice root powder. 3. 1 drop of orange essential oil. Preparation: 1. You should mix all ingredients in a bowl with a toothbrush. 2. Then rub it on your teeth and let it work for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing with water. Another effective homemade toothpaste is as follows: toothpaste with coconut oil, turkey and olive oil. Ingredients: 1. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 2. Half a teaspoon of organic coconut oil. 3. 2 drops clove essential oil. 4. A pinch of sea salt. Preparation: combine all the ingredients in a bowl and then rub it on your teeth and let it work for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing with water.